Hi guys, my name is Ziad Aboud. In this tutorial, we will learn how to adjust and enhance your photo using HDR Toning in Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop file. It's always better idea to duplicate the file before you applying the HDR Toning. And the reason for this is you have to flat your image. Remember, HDR working with the flat image only. By doing that, we need to go to Image, Duplicate. Rename the file if you want to. In my case, I'm going to click on OK. It will duplicate it in a new document. Now we have two versions exactly the same document. Now we need to apply the HDR toning to the image. By doing that, we go to Image, Adjustment, HDR Toning. It will open the HDR Toning dialog box. What is my goal here? Is to get back some details of the address. We are really going to focus on the address. Okay, let us tweak some setting. For gamma, let's take it a little bit up to 84. Exposure to -23. Let's bring back heaps and heaps of details, maybe up to that much. With the shadow, let's take it down a bit, maybe 8, which is good. Highlight, just a bit of highlight, just a little bit. We leave the color as it is, then we click on OK. After we get the adjustment, now we need to take this image to the original image. First, we need to make sure the selected move tools is inactive, simply by going to the move tools icon or by pressing the V key from the keyboard. Now we hold the shift key and we drag and drop the image to the original image. Let's minimize this window. Now we need to add a layer mask. The easy way is to select a mask by clicking on the mask icon. Now we need to invert the mask to black. There's a shortcut for it. By pressing Ctrl I in PC, then we're going to adjust the brush size and make sure we're choosing soft brush and the hardness to 0. Let us bring back details by painting the area that we want to. Make sure we're painting with the white. If your color is different on mine, press the D key to bring back the default color when it is black, so that you can change it to white by clicking on the small black arrows or by shortcut by pressing the X key to switch between background and foreground. Make sure you select the mask. And now let's start painting. If you go over it, you can easy fixing it by painting on a black, and the easy way is to press the X key to change the color to black. The X key changing the background and foreground color. Now we're painting with the black to take out this area. If you see your details is too strong, you can always put the opacity down. In my case, I'm going to take the layer opacity just a little bit down to 93 maybe, just to bring back the details and won't look too strong. After you bring back all the details, now you can take it further. In my case, I adjust the hue, saturation, balance and curve. Here is before and here is after. Thanks guys for watching this tutorial. I am Ziad Aboud. Have fun working with HDR toning.